Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saida Indah Nur Latifa. I am from the English Language Educational Department. Today, I would like to present my quantitative research proposal for the Quantitative in ELT course, guided by our lecturer, Ms. Nita Sari Narulita Dewi, SPD MPD. The title of my research is University Student Reading Motivation in English Classes, a Survey Study. Reading is an important skill for learning English. Through reading, students can get new information and improve vocabulary and academic skills. But many students still feel that reading English text is difficult and takes too much time. Because of that, their reading motivation becomes low. Motivation is very important because it influences how often students read and how well they understand the text. However, research about reading motivation at the university level in Indonesia is still limited. So, I want to find out how motivated university students are in reading English text. This research focuses on one main question: what is the level of student reading motivation in English classes? The objective of this research are to find out the level of student reading motivation and to identify which motivation indicators are dominant, like intrinsic or extrinsic. This research gives benefit for student, teacher, and other. For student, they can understand their motivation and build good reading habits. And for the teacher, the result can help them decide activities that increase student motivation. For other researchers, it adds more studies about university student reading motivation in Indonesia. Reading is an active process where students interact with the text. Motivation affects student reading behavior. There are two types. First, intrinsic motivation. Motivation from inside, such as interest and enjoyment. Second, extrinsic motivation. Motivation from outside, such as grade or reward. When students have high motivation, they will read more and understand better. So, motivation has a direct impact on student reading achievement. This research uses a quantitative descriptive survey design, focuses on describing students' current level of reading motivation. The population is 162 English educational students, class of 2023. The sample is around 100 students selected using simple random sampling. This method helps to provide equal opportunity for every student to be selected. The instrument of this research is the Motivation for Reading Questionnaire or MRQ by Wakefield and Guthrie. Using a 1 to 5 Likert scale, operationally, reading motivation is defined as internal and external forces that make students want to read English text. The indicators include curiosity, challenges, involvement, recognition, motivation type, and other from the MRQ. Data will be collected online through Google Form. Students will fill in the questionnaire voluntarily. Then the data will be analyzed using descriptive statistics like mean, percentage, and frequency. The result will be categorized into 5 levels: very low, low, medium, high, and very high. This helps us understand how motivated the students are. Here are some of the primary sources I use in this proposal. That's all. Thank you for your attention.